This morning, the long and historic saga of the Aurora has come to a sad end. Following an overnight tow from her berth in Stockton, the 1955-built ship arrived at a Mare Island shipyard to be scrapped. In this footage captured by Captain Corey Abelov, the Aurora can be seen at the Lynn Marine Dry Dock, where she is being prepared for demolition. This, of course, follows her recent partial sinking and subsequent refloating earlier this year, events that dealt a fatal blow to what had been a long-term restoration and a hopeful future. As a ship buff and historian, I've been following this ship since the age of 15, when I visited her in Los Angeles as a boutique deluxe cruise ship, Xanadu. Over the years, I've chased her around Long Beach and Los Angeles harbors to Alameda, Rio Vista, San Francisco, and Stockton, sharing the hopes of many that in her final incarnation as Aurora, this beautiful vessel would somehow cheat the scrappers and live on as a floating museum and attraction. Among her career milestones, she was the first major German passenger ship built after World War II, a pioneering Greek and expedition cruise ship, a shelter for homeless Christians, a drug den, and more recently the focus of a long restoration project that was ultimately abandoned. She was also featured in a James Bond movie and was one of the ships Jeraldine Saunders wrote about in her Love Boats book that inspired the hit TV show. Even more importantly, she's one of the last ships from an era when curvaceous beauty mattered, when ships were built to be both beautiful and functional. I hope to bring you her full story soon and give her a proper send-off before she vanishes forever. And I'd like to thank Captain Corey Abelov for supplying us with this footage shot this morning.